Hi, hello viewers. This is your Madhusudan Reddy Kundreddy. Welcome back to my channel Horti. Today we are going to talk about one more important vegetable crop, that is chilli. Chilli belongs to family Solanaceae and the botanical name of chilli is Capsicum annum variety longum, and it is having the diploid chromosome number 2n equal to 24, and the reports said to be chilli is originated in Peru. Chilli is introduced into India from Brazil in 16th century by Portuguese. The cultivated chilli belongs to the genus Annum, which is having high pungency. The leading producer of chilli in the world is India. In India, for dry chillis, leading producer is Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka is the leading producer of green chillis in India.
Capsicum annum is the major species grown on large scale, and Capsicum annum is having high pungency and it is annual in nature. Coming to its soil and climate, chilli is sensitive to the frost and the pH range of 5.8 to 6.5 is ideal for its cultivation. The optimum temperature for fruit set is 24 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade is ideal for pollen germination. In India, Kharif is the major season for chilli growing. Next, coming to seed rate and spacing. The seed rate is 1 to 1.5 kg per hectare, and the recommended spacing is 60 or 45 centimeters between the rows and 45 centimeters between the plants. And chilli is a transplanted crop. 6 to 7 weeks old seedlings are used for transplanting. And flower drop is the major problem in chilli cultivation. Application of auxins like Planofix or NAA at the rate 10 ppm at the time of flower initiation stage can reduce the flower drop in chilli. And chilli is the day neutral crop. Next, coming to floral biology and pollination. Chilli is having white color flowers, and the flowers of chilli are in bisexual in nature. Even though it is having bisexual flowers, the extent of cross pollination is up to 7.6 to 36.8% in the field, with the mean value of 16.5%. Why the cross pollination will takes place in chilli? So the cross pollination in chilli takes place due to the presence of protogyne. Protogyne means the gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium, and the major pollinators of chilli is honeybees and ants. Next, coming to harvesting and yield. For canning purpose, chilli should be harvested at a red stage, and for dry chilli purpose, chilli should be harvested at full ripe stage. After harvesting, the ripened fruits are dried on the cement floors or sand floors up to 8 to 10% moisture content. Under irrigation conditions, we can get 200 to 300 quintals of yield per hectare, and the green to dry chilli ratio is 10:1. And the pungency in chilli is due to the presence of capsaicin, and capsaicin extracted from the chilli is used to prepare the medicine. And the chemical formula of capsaicin is C18H27NO3, and the pungency is measured by Scoville heat units. The red color in chilli is due to the presence of capsanthin, and the chemical formula of capsanthin is C40H56O3. And green chillis are having oleoresin. So oleoresin adds the flavor and aroma to the food. And green chillis are rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C, which is having vitamin A content of 290 international units and vitamin C content of 120 to 130 milligrams per 100 grams of fruit. And the consumption of green chillis reduces the blood cholesterol and reduces the heart attack. Under rain-fed conditions, the yield of green chillis is 60 to 70 quintal per hectare. Under irrigated conditions, 200 to 300 quintal per hectare. So here we can see the damage of thrips, the entire field which is infested by the thrips. The thrips damage leads to the upward curling of the leaves. And how can we control the thrips damage in the field? In the first, before sowing the seed we have to go for the treatment of seed by using imidacloprid, and in the field after the damage has been observed, we have to go for the spraying of fipronil 400 ml per acre or acephate 300 grams per acre or spinosad 75 ml per acre.
This is all about cultivation aspects of chili. If you like my video, do like, do share, and do subscribe to Mad Horti and hit the bell icon to get latest videos regarding farming. In the next video, I will meet you with the one more important topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.